Hello and welcome to the program. Man, stocks rallied big time this week and again today. But before we get into that, please support our channel. We're looking for 100 subscriptions. So if you could subscribe and click the like button, I really appreciate that. So let's get into the charts here. Okay, this is the SPY representing the S&P 500. This is a weekly chart. Every candlestick represents a week. And before we get into that, I'll give you an update on today's finished closes. The Dow ended up 0.80%, S&P up 0.83%, the Nasdaq 0.69%. Crude oil, WTI, is up 2.59%, $76.70 a barrel. The 10-year yield's down to 3.42%, and the relative strength of the dollar climbed slightly today. Let's see, here we go, 101.68, so not much going on there. Okay, so here's the weekly chart. We broke past some serious support here, which is this downtrend line. We broke past it and we made it to that upper trend line right here, just at 416. And that's three tops. One top here, two, three tops. So their next range for the S&P 500, or the SPY rather, 429. That would be its next point of target. Let's zoom out and take a look. We'll just draw a quick little uptrend line here. We can see. Well, actually, and we'll move this down here. Yeah, so it broke out of that wedge. As you can see, that was nicely done. And that's a weekly chart. Let's go to the daily chart. So you can see, look at today's candle, big uprise. So that was a real impressive move here. And we'll look at that intraday. We'll go to a 10-minute chart. Right out of the gate, it never stopped. It kept going. So let's take a look real quick at the QQQ representing the Nasdaq. Again, this is a weekly chart. Man, that is bullish. Past the downtrend, broke past this support of 313, 314 area. Its next target is 334. And that's a weekly chart. That's an impressive move. And daily chart here, see another nice uptick here. What a big shoot up. I mean, it looked like the market was turning around and becoming bearish all of a sudden. And let me throw a little bit of an indicator on here. Or I'm sorry, let's see. Okay, these lines here, the purple line is a 5-day moving average. The yellow line's 20-day moving average. Now, if you want to short the market or go long the market, I like to see some structure. So the purple line did cross the yellow line. So right here was a potential option to jump in short. It showed some structure. But it's reversed so much now to where it's still below the yellow line, but it's getting very sketchy. Let's see how the SPY looks on that. Here we go, the SPY. It crossed. It started to show some structure. But then obviously it reversed. So that's interesting how that worked out. So that's the daily charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at the well, Intel had a nice big day today. Big move for Intel. It gapped up overnight because of the good earnings. It was up 5%. Opened up here at 31.97. Closed at 31.06. That's a nice big move. Tesla up 2.57%. That's not bad. So did it find a bottom? Let's zoom out and take a look. Oh, probably. No, we got to go way out here. Okay, it did show there's some support there as resistance back here in September of 2020. So that'll be interesting to see. It could easily break down to the 101. We'll have to find out. Oil. Here's Oxy. Up a slight day today, 1.57%. Oil is shooting up, so WTI did go up 2.55%. Bank of America up 1.35%. There we go. Where are we here? Not bad. Maybe it's found a new area of support at around 28.54. Did close today 29.28. JP Morgan, nice up day. It's holding this range. So that's about it for them. Something I do want to show you really quick. Talk about small cap, low float stocks real quick. Here's a couple impressive moves. We'll put this on a 10-minute chart. HUDI. Basically, after lunch, it just shot right up. So in the range from $4 and made it up to $14.50, but a nice $13 range. MEGL up 331%. So here it was 89 cents, and we went up to like 570s. That's a big move. And there's something I did want to show you guys. Yesterday, if you remember, I showed you something called Top. And yesterday, when I did this video, it was about here, $70. And this thing just took off to the moon. So when I finished this video yesterday, it went all the way up to the end of after hours trading. Wait. Let me back this up. Here we go. Yeah, this is where we did the video yesterday. I finished the video here. It came down from $70, went up to $260. So basically, 5 minutes to 8 p.m. Eastern time, you could be trading this thing's already up at $220. Came back down to about 60 this morning. Tried to test that $260 level, could not break it, made it to 256. This, talk about a short squeeze. And that's a huge short squeeze. So we're talking from $15 up to 260. And then here's today's action, and now it's still just coming down. I'm surprised it's even holding $83. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. So what's coming up next week for the SPY now that we're running into May? The old saying is sell in May, then go away. So the market's going to turn around. We're going to find out. I mean, there's a lot of negative news out right now, but it seems the more negative news there is, the higher the markets go. So we'll see what happens with this little wedge here. Maybe we'll throw a wedge in for the QQQ as well. That's a sharp, look at how sharp increase that is. So we'll have to see. Tech's heavily bought into. I would expect a pullback for it to go back up, but we'll find out what happens. So again, we appreciate you watching the program, and until then, again, please subscribe. I appreciate that. Click the like button. I appreciate that. Makes YouTube put the video out more, and we'll see what happens over the weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday. All right, thank you for watching.